Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do camera tracking inside Blender to add any 3D character to your scene. Go to the VPS and load the clip, set sheet frame and prefetch. Now you can check the type of motion tracking of your video. After you select it, go to the detailed features and track your footage. When it's done, go to the last and detailed features again and track again. Find the middle of your video and detailed features and track forward or backward. When it's done, back to the frame again and detailed features and track the other side. When it's done, go to the solve panel and click on these three boxes and solving motion. As you can see, we have a lot of numbers which is bad. We need 0.5 below. To fix it, go to this clear off, scrolling down to filter, we need 4, delete them and solve again. As you can see, now we have 0.3, which is very good. Now the next thing we're gonna do is scroll down and set our background and set your 3D scene. Now you select one of these tracker and set origin. We select another for our set our scale, change the number to around 5 and set scale. Now we move into the layout, click on this plus icon, general layout, click on camera and play for our animation to see our tracking result. After I adjust it, let's play again to see our, let's hide this background to see our tracking. Let's play again. As you can see, we have good tracking result. Now let's click this icon to see our plan. Make sure that you are in render cycle, render engine cycle. And the next thing now we can do, now go to the theme. Make sure that you are you click on this transparent, click on it. Now go to the render to see our result. I forgot for something which is light. Before that, make sure you click on shadow cutter to choose plane. Now let's go to add a light. Go to the world, now we load our HDR. Let's delete this cube to add something. X to delete it. Let's run the image to see our result. So now you can render your animation. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.